Imagine capturing the breathtaking view of a distant mountain or a rare bird in flight, all with one hand. This sleek, compact gadget designed for explorers and nature lovers brings the world closer with powerful magnification in a lightweight, durable frame. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or birdwatching on a peaceful morning, it's built to withstand any adventure, rain, or shine. But what truly sets it apart is the innovative grip, ensuring steady, shake-free viewing no matter where your journey takes you. Stay tuned until the end to uncover this revolutionary piece of tech. In this video, we'll explore how this device enhances your outdoor experience, offering crystal-clear views and ultimate portability. Ready for your next adventure? Let's get started! Introducing the Covert Coin $50, a masterfully crafted gadget designed to keep your most sensitive information hidden in plain sight. Precision machined from real coins, it features a secret compartment that's virtually impossible to detect, even by trained professionals. Inside this Covert Coin, there's space for a 16GB micro SD card, allowing you to securely transport critical information without raising any suspicion. The compartment can only be accessed using the included specialized tool, ensuring that no one can open it by accident or without authorization. Whether for personal or professional use, the Covert Coin is an ingenious blend of history and technology. Made in the USA, it provides a nearly foolproof way to protect your confidential data, keeping it hidden from prying eyes and thorough searches. Keep your home and office secure around the clock with the mini camera clock, a discreet surveillance tool that doubles as a functional clock, offering a smart solution for home and office security. Equipped with a 1080p HD lens, it provides clear video footage and features night vision for 24/7 monitoring. Designed with a motion detection sensor, the mini camera clock sends instant alerts to your phone when movement is detected, helping you stay aware of any suspicious activity. It also supports loop recording via a micro SD card, which SE sold separately, so even if you're busy, you can review past footage at your convenience. The device is powered by a 2,800 mAh rechargeable battery, providing 3 to 4 hours of recording on a full charge, with the option to record while charging. The mini camera clock is easy to set up and use, ensuring privacy with secure access through the app, and it supports multiple camera connections for enhanced coverage. Discover the power of stealth and precision with the TiCAM 90, a lightweight, versatile thermal imaging monocular designed for tactical, law enforcement, and search and rescue operations. Weighing just 210 grams, it can be helmet-mounted or handheld, offering exceptional image quality through Thermotechnic's patented shutterless X-Ti technology, ensuring silent and uninterrupted imaging. Equipped with a 25mm lens, it features digital zoom, polarity inversion, and optional visible or IR laser pointers. The TiCAM 90 operates for up to 4 hours on a single AA battery and is compatible with most helmet mount systems, offering ease of use with a unique scroll wheel for quick menu access even while wearing gloves. This compact monocular is rugged, withstanding dust, shocks, and water splashes, making it perfect for demanding environments. Its high-performance long-wave infrared detector and 50 Hz refresh rate deliver real-time imaging, ideal for surveillance, border security, and VIP protection. Stay prepared for the unexpected with the tiny inconspicuous handcuff key, or TIHK HK2, a discreet, lightweight handcuff key designed for personal safety and emergency situations. Its tiny size, just 20mm long, and stealth matte finish allow it to be carried inconspicuously, easily attaching to your belt loop or clothing with its integrated clip. Improvements in the HK2 model include added teeth within the clip for enhanced grip, ensuring it stays securely attached. The key design has also been upgraded for smoother operation across a wider range of handcuffs, including those from different manufacturers. Despite its minuscule size and weight, the HK2 is highly functional, offering a reliable solution in critical moments. Perfect for everyday carry, the TIHK HK2 is designed to be there when you need it most. Whether for urban survival or professional use, this tiny tool provides a simple yet effective means of unlocking standard handcuffs and adds a level of preparedness for unexpected situations. Looking for a discreet and reliable survival tool? The TIHK HK2 handcuff key is just one of the innovative gadgets designed for safety and preparedness. But aside from that, there are more to uncover, so stay tuned for the next batch of amazing gadgets. Make sure you don't miss out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Meet the LEMUR 2, a revolutionary drone designed specifically for public safety and first responders. With cutting-edge features like LiDAR sensors, night vision, and a glass breaker, it is engineered to help de-escalate dangerous situations and assist in search and rescue missions. Built for GPS-denied environments, the LEMUR 2 uses smart battery management and a high-performance antenna array for extended operations. It includes thermal sensors, obstacle awareness, and an FAA-compliant remote ID module, making it an essential tool for law enforcement. Designed for ease of use, even first-time users can operate the drone seamlessly. Manufactured entirely in the USA, the LEMUR 2 showcases Brinca's commitment to safety and innovation. Its advanced capabilities not only improve officer safety, but also push the boundaries of drone technology in the public safety sector. Safeguard your privacy with the Protect 1206i, a powerful handheld RF bug detector designed to protect your privacy by locating hidden surveillance devices. Lightweight and easy to use, it detects a wide range of signals, from modern Bluetooth and Wi-Fi bugs to older GSM and 3G technologies. This compact device operates for up to 20 hours on 2 AAA batteries and alerts you through sound, vibration, or visual indicators on its 16-segment bar graph display. The Protect 1206i is an essential tool for anyone concerned about privacy, offering expert-level detection in a portable form. Ideal for home, office, or on-the-go use, it helps detect unwanted electronic spying devices, ensuring your privacy in any environment. Whether you're tracking audio bugs, hidden cameras, or GPS devices, the Protect 1206i offers unmatched sensitivity and precision. Enhance your road safety with the Hindsight Artemis glasses, offering an innovative solution for cyclists, providing enhanced road safety with built-in rear-view mirrors. Using patented lens technology, these glasses feature a transparent angled mirror in the peripheral vision, allowing riders to see behind them without turning their heads. Designed for performance and comfort, the Artemis glasses excel in both bright sunlight and road safety. The lenses reduce glare and provide a clear view, while the mirrored section offers blind spot vision at a glance. The design minimizes the need for head movement, reducing the risk of losing balance or missing important details in front of you. Built with durability in mind, the glasses are lightweight, stylish, and effective for daily use. Whether for commuting or recreational cycling, Hindsight Artemis glasses give riders increased awareness and a safer experience on the road. If you're curious about the gadget we talked about earlier in the video and you want to experience the great outdoors up close, then we introduce you to the Roxant Viper Monocular Telescope, a compact and powerful tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Offering 10 by 25 magnification, it provides high-definition, crisp, and clear views, making it perfect for activities like birdwatching, hiking, hunting, and sporting events. The Viper features premium, fully multi-coated glass optics with a BAK4 prism for superior light transmission and brightness. Its tough rubber armor and molded snake grip provide a secure hold, ensuring steady, shake-free viewing with one hand. Built to withstand the elements, it's ideal for adventurers seeking a reliable and easy-to-use scope. Included with the Monocular are a carrying pouch, cleaning cloth, and wrist strap, adding convenience and portability to this versatile, weatherproof device. Whether for travel, sports, or nature, the Roxant Viper offers exceptional performance at an affordable price. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore even more exciting gadgets, including a game-changing full-body portable gym equipment set. Perfect for workouts at home, in the office, or while traveling, this compact gym delivers powerful strength training for your arms, back, core, and legs. No need to hit the gym. With all the resistance benefits of weight training but without the bulky weights, this piece of technology helps build lean muscle that burns fat, even while you rest. Are you sure you want to miss this one?